The black car in front made an unsafe sharp turn, becoming the primary cause of the incident. As a result, the driver was fined for their traffic violation. The white car's engine broke down, leaving it immobile. The driver and passengers promptly moved to the emergency lane, but within 3 minutes, the stationary vehicle was struck by another car approaching from behind. A truck carrying heavy cargo began to slide dangerously on the roadway. Driving on wet, slippery roads requires reducing speed, especially when operating heavy vehicles like trailer trucks. Excessive speed can lead to serious consequences, both financially and in terms of safety. This remarkable driving maneuver demonstrates extraordinary skill, resembling a stunt from an action film. Two vehicles tried to pass simultaneously on a narrow bridge designed for a single car. This resulted in the white car being nudged into the shallow river below. Thankfully, no one was injured. A man was caught attempting to manipulate a truck's weight measurement system, deliberately falsifying the load's weight. A truck driver failed to observe a height restriction sign and collided with an overhead structure, demonstrating the importance of adhering to posted limits. The black car unlawfully attempted a turn from an incorrect lane, leading to an immediate traffic accident. The truck cabin caught fire and was severely damaged before the flames could be extinguished. On a highway, a van crashed into the median and broke down. Police quickly responded, managing traffic and helping move the van to a safer location. It was later discovered that the driver had fallen asleep at the wheel. A wheel loader operator attempted to block a truck from passing, but inadvertently caused the truck to veer into a roadside ditch. A truck disregarded a red traffic light and collided with a black car lawfully crossing the intersection. In Guangxi, a massive 27-car collision occurred on the highway, resulting in 4 injuries and involving multiple large trucks. A car marked with a "new driver" sign reflected its inexperience when the driver failed to secure the door or check mirrors before driving. A white SUV inexplicably lost control and collided with a truck traveling in the same direction, causing the truck to overturn. A truck loaded with timber tipped over while crossing a temporary bridge, leaving the vehicle precariously balanced between the bridge railing and the river below. A white car struggled to regain control after a turn, demonstrating the challenges of maintaining steering stability. In Shan, Langfang, a truck's unsecured cargo spilled across an intersection during a turn. Police promptly managed traffic and facilitated cleanup within 10 minutes. To address a sinkhole, workers ingeniously slid a steel plate beneath a concrete mixer truck to stabilize it. On the Liaocheng section of Qinglan Expressway, a drunk driver parked in the middle of the highway and lay on the road, endangering themselves and others. A passerby intervened, ensuring the driver's safety before police arrived. A concrete mixer driver used water from their vehicle to extinguish a car fire on the road, prioritizing the rescue effort despite the operational importance of the water. A car dangerously reversed along the highway, swerving erratically. Police later issued significant penalties to the driver for their reckless behavior. Introducing a dashboard warning light for open fuel caps could help prevent incidents caused by drivers forgetting to close them. Two trucks bypassed a traffic barrier unlawfully, highlighting the importance of adhering to traffic regulations. A multi-car collision caused significant traffic delays, underscoring the need for cautious driving to prevent such incidents. On February 10th, a woman's car broke down in the middle of the Beijing-Tianjin-Tangshan Expressway. Despite being advised to move to the emergency lane, the car was rear-ended by a truck shortly after. On July 6 in Wenzhou, Zhejiang, a white car failed to yield while turning, resulting in a rollover accident. A driver neglected to engage the parking brake, causing their pickup truck to roll into a ditch. concrete mixer truck became stuck at a construction site. Without timely intervention, the concrete inside the drum solidified, rendering it unusable. Drivers should familiarize themselves with the sensitivity of their car's accelerator to maintain safe control. A concrete mixer truck overturned while reversing, emphasizing the need for careful maneuvering. A man skillfully saved a car from a precarious situation, showcasing quick thinking and problem solving. A white car ran a red light and was held accountable for causing a traffic accident. A small excavator attempted to tow a heavily loaded three-wheeled truck, highlighting the importance of matching equipment to the task. A car appeared tiny and out of place in a setting surrounded by oversized vehicles. A vehicle with unusually long features prompted curiosity about its design and function. An excavator on site did not assist in lifting an overturned truck, raising questions about its operational priorities. A wall collapsed moments after a woman moved away, illustrating the unpredictable nature of such hazards. A truck's improperly secured cargo slid out during a sharp turn, causing disruption on the road. A truck's axle weld showcased exceptional craftsmanship, providing a testament to the importance of quality workmanship. truck cabin inexplicably caught fire but was saved by the quick response of nearby individuals. A driver's distraction during a U-turn escalated into a confrontation, underscoring the need for focus on the road.
你转弯这样子转，哎呀，你真係，真係黐線啊！乾陰都轉。
Sudden braking caused a concrete block to shift dangerously toward a truck's cabin. To avoid falling rocks, a driver safely parked their car inside a tunnel, demonstrating situational awareness.
海德棍，哇，海德棍好大一头！哎呦我操，肯定还有一大网，好吓人！哎呀我操，又来了！我进去点。发生泥石流了，上面的大石头滚下来了，它滚到这个地方。 现在摩托公路大堵车。
A truck attempting to reinforce a riverbank experienced instability, nearly sliding into the water due to shifting terrain. The truck faced challenges maneuvering alongside rows of closely planted trees, emphasizing the need for precise driving in confined spaces.
哎呀，真要讲，看看，前头个大脚讲去刹车，哎呀，早怕死了，那个天呀，那前头的这个结节，看看齐了，看看齐了。